Currently 10:38 a.m. in Jim's neck of the woods. Having a little bit of a heavy rain. Few rumbles of thunder. No severe wind is picked up yet though. We are under a severe thunderstorm watch until 5 p.m. Rain is pretty much coming down straight, but it is a pretty steady rain. We're sending the robins to the porch to stay dry. Hope to update you guys a little bit later on whether the rain gets any more severe or not. Whether we actually get the severe thunderstorms they're calling for us to get. It does seem that spring has finally sprung here. One of the things that's interesting, a heavy rain like this is, for obvious reasons, called a gully washer, in that it washes out all the gullies. But it's also called a toad strangler, in that it rains so fast and gets so deep that it strangles toads, I suppose. Not real sure where that one comes from, but I am curious if you guys have any colloquialisms for heavy rain and such where you're from. Share in the comments.